Really? Now I am trying to create user control in C#.NET Windows based applications. See, user control is a control which is formed using existing Windows controls. So I think you know that all these are nothing but Windows controls which are by default in this toolbox. If you want these controls in use, you just try to drag and drop these controls. Similarly, you can use these controls to create a new control that is called user control. The intention of creating user control is to reduce our work burden. So you can repeat functionality n number of times throughout the implementation, or you can say that throughout the solution. See the process to add user control. Go to project menu, select an option called add user control. And see, this is user control. Let me concentrate. So the name of this user control is menu. I'm trying to create a menu. In this we are dragging certain controls like I'm arranging certain buttons. This is button 1 and this is button 2, and see the way you try to create a new control using existing Windows controls. On button 1 I am trying to raise an event, so where this event is giving us a result called a message box. So this is first button, click. Similarly, if you want to go for second button as well as third button, see the event on second button. Second and third. Okay, so once control is created, better so go through regular form design, select an option called build and try to build your solution. Building in the sense we are going to commit our solution, better commit it. After committing your solution, see it shows an error. The error is there is an additional curly brace here. Again you try to build it, still it shows an error. Okay, so solution has been built. After building this solution, go to toolbox. See there is an item called menu. It's an additional one here now. So try to drag and drop it. Use it in n number of forms throughout the solution. Execute it. See the functionality. So button gives button first, button 2 event it is, and this is called second button, and this is third button. So similarly, just try to implement any functionality and group your regular Windows controls. Using such controls, create a new type of environment where the type can be used anywhere in the solution in any form. Understand? So thank you.